What's up? Nothing but me in the kitchen trying to make a recipe that I saw off of Facebook. So it came from, the recipe is Kraken Chicken Sliders. The name got me. It did. And the picture got me too. So I got it from, the link was Princess Pinky Girl. Is where I got it from. Is cracked chicken sliders. So what you need are your honey rolls, sliders, cheese of preference. I have the triple cheddar and mixed mozzarella, green onions, bacon bites, or you can use real bacon if you want to do all that. I don't want to. Parmesan cheese. This is Italian style because it's the Walmart kind, and it's the same because I read the labels. And it says 8 ounces of cream cheese. Shredded chicken, this is supposed to be a 10-minute meal. So if you want to make chicken and do all that, go ahead. But I got this from Walmart. And yeah, and that's it. So now I'm just going to shred this chicken up a little bit and cut these green onions up and just start to do what I need to do. Okay, so the chicken is shredded. Now we just have to melt the cream cheese, and once this is melted, then we will add the ranch, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, and a teaspoon of black pepper. A teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon. Alright, now that it's melted and mixed, we add the chicken.
If you were still concerned about yourself, to comfort food because you were shit out and then you won't be like.
So you're gonna take this and put it on top of the bread. Okay, so now that we have that there, top with some more cheese. I'm choosing mozzarella. As much as you like. Top it, top it, top it, top it. Empty it, empty it, empty it. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, let's put some more cheese. Why not? Let's be cheese-licious. And boom, 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 boom. Because that looks pretty. Put your top layer of rolls. Oops, one broke. Whatever. Alright, top it with your toppers. Which way does this go? Like this. Alright, it says brush it with some butter. I don't have a brush, so we're gonna spoon it. Spoon the tops. Just how you do it, you know. Do it how you live. Because that's all you can do. Alright, so when your stuff is glazed with butter, you sprinkle some of your Parmesan on it. Like so. It said you could have chives, you could sprinkle it on top, make it a little pretty. I don't eat chives. So this is what it looks like. And then it says it goes in the oven on 350 for 25 minutes. This is supposed to be a 10-minute meal. And that's what got me. But it wasn't until I reached the end of the recipe that I read that you put it in the oven for 25 minutes. Princess Pinky, you got me. Because I was already supposed to be eating. So this goes in the oven for 25 minutes, and then we're going to see what it comes out like. Cover with aluminum foil for your 25 minutes, and then after that, take off the foil and cook for an additional 5 to 8 minutes. Princess! You. Alright, so now to taste this bad boy. chicken. This is good. It would have been even better if I hadn't well done the bread. But even so, the inside is still moist. Oh my God. You try that. It took longer than 10 minutes, but it's worth it. Cracked chicken sliders. You won't be disappointed. You can use this as a dip.